Thank you for keeping this the safe place for everyone. At syempre, but to be honest, gusto ko lang magpasalamat na you guys are creating a great, syempre, community. Being friends with one another, syempre, siguro yung mag-support din sa akin at sa isa't isa. I have so much plans and dreams, pero masaya ako na ito ay pinuntahan nyo at syempre sinupport nyo. Thank you for supporting the birthday projects and thank you for supporting every moment that we have been doing. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart at syempre kasama na rin ang mga moderators. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you so much, guys.
Namiss niyo ba ako? I don't wanna say this, pero parang, ano siya, sadya. Hindi, busy lang talaga, busy. Ang dami ginagawa, and syempre,